The second thing that you can do is to make sure that all your vents and registers are open. A lot of times we will see people out here in the desert close vents and registers in certain areas of the home. While it may feel like it may make that area more comfortable, it can cause an issue with your system by reducing the airflow through the unit.
You know what we also see a lot of out here? Is we see a lot of people who put a couch or something up against the return air. If they come up from the floor, they'll set something on top of it. A lot of times they'll push something up on it on the wall. So making sure that you have good airflow through the system is really beneficial to that system, and making sure you don't create a problem